私は今生きる、君は過去を生きる。同じ空の下にいても私たちの道はすれ違う。未来が呼んでいる。でも君は振り返る。この手を伸ばしても届かない。君の心には、yeah。 君はあの時の記憶に縛られ、まるで映画のワンシーンループみたいだね。過去を生きるならどこへ行くの？僕は今を選ぶ。君の影から抜け出すよ。時代は変わる、時計は進む。過去の幻にとらわれたない。僕は前に進む、それが答え。君の過去にとどまらない今を生きてる。君の目に映るのはいつも遠い過去の景色ばかりで、僕と未来を見つめたいのに、君の心はまだそこにいる。歩幅が合わないまま僕は君に追いつけない。時間だけが進むほど私たちの距離は広がるばかり。私は今を生きる、君は過去を生きる。同じ空の下にいても私たちの道はすれ違う。未来が呼んでいる。でも君は振り返る。この手を伸ばしても届かない。君の心には今しかない。明日へ続く道、君もきっと気づくはずさ。過去は遠く消えてゆく。私たちが生きるのはこの瞬間だ。私は今を生きる、君は過去を生きる。同じ空の下にいても私たちの道はすれ違う。未来が呼んでいる。でも君は振り返る。この手を伸ばしても届かない。君の心には
Good evening and welcome, one and all. We finally unlocked the feature. So now, whatever you see here on YouTube is the same as TikTok. Whatever TikTok sees, excuse me, is the same as YouTube. So we have done it. Yay! Now, earlier today, I went ahead and I was writing a list out. because there are things I have on one of my other channel streams set up, and then I have the stuff that I want to do for this stream. So for social media, I have TikTok for both, YouTube for both, Facebook I'm thinking about for this channel. I'm not entirely sure. Is there something actually on my head? No, it's not on this camera, it's only on that. So that makes sense. I have an Instagram, LinkedIn, and everything else for this channel. Okay, well, I'll have to take care of my background here in a bit. I might end up putting something up in the background, I'm not sure. Stream Elements is set up on this YouTube channel. Oh, I forgot to let everyone know I was live. I'm still new to this, still true to this. Don't switch. What's going on with work buddies? Attention. Oh. Work buddies got a lot going on. Just post this here. We unlocked all the features in TikTok. Celebrate and plan. That's TikTok. Actually, yeah, I just need links to my general channel. That is something I'm writing down too. General need to create a general post for Discord. And I still have not decided on if I'm going to try to host a Discord server for the channel. I feel like right now I don't need it. Like, if someone needs help, I have access to my email that's out there. Oh, I do need to put my email and stuff. Add email to cards. Okay. Let's go ahead into my Canva, because right now all that you guys have is my share stream. I want to get some of these cards uploaded, because earlier today I started editing stuff. Now, did I finish? Probably not. Good evening, Adanas. I don't know. So okay. I do plan to have a share screen option. Oh, that's not the right one. That was one, but that's not the right Canva file I need to have open. And eventually I plan to have all this over in a different place. Let's just take this step by step. Mm, I don't know if I necessarily want my email to be just out here in the world. I do want to duplicate this asset. I kind of like it. It's kind of cute. I don't want to overuse it. Do I like that there for now? I wish there was an auto flip. Good evening, Annabelle. I need to move you guys over here. So at least I have both chats in one place and I can see things. Where is the flip? There we go. I don't want this to be the same size as this element, so with this 438. Hello, Lady Violet of Greendale. I'm pretty sure that you're the one with the beautiful voice that used to be on all the time with Harmony Nerd. Let's see. Center group. Yep. And I want this to be in the middle of the page. Oh, the only thing I didn't do on group was vertically distribute. Cause I need to do the same here. Breaking some rules of design here. Ooh, got Master of Fun. Join from your post. Oh, okay. Welcome to the stream. Group. I think I'm gonna change this to, well, here's what I can do. I can make a bolder border. 6. Hello, Maddie. Welcome to the stream. And I think I want the outline to actually be white, since everything else is. In the background, I kind of want it to be a gradient. No, I like this color. I want to change how the gradient direction. Can't remember how to do that, but there is a way to do it. Ooh, I like that one. And the dark tone is on the bottom, light tone is on top. Okay, we've got our main screen. Now I have to remember how to do all this. Download as a PNG, page 6 only. I'm going to go ahead and add a scene. This is going to be my share scene. dragon spell. Where did I go? Huh. Okay, I think there's some glitchiness, so I may need to restart this. Oh, I know what it is because when I go to save this, I know what's going to happen here. Okay, it makes sense. So you all aren't going to be able to hear or see me for a hot minute because I'm going to be updating this information. But that's fine. I will be back. Main screen. Or you want to just tell the share screen. But just know I'm working in the background and I'll go ahead and put on some music.
ている心の中に降る雨切ないメロディーが響くレインハーツ孤独の中で涙が降るレインハーツ心の奥で雨が静かに降り続ける雨の中で揺れる明かり心の中の暗い雲君がいないこの瞬間孤独が深く広がる窓の外に降る雨が僕の心を映し出す過ぎ去った日の記憶が雨の音とともに蘇るレインハーツ孤独の中で涙が降るレインハーツ心の奥で雨が静かに降り続ける夜の静けさに包まれ心の中に雨が降る孤独の中で待ち続ける君の声を夢見てレインハーツ孤独の中で涙が降るレインハーツ心の奥で雨が静かに降り続けるレインハーツ深い闇の中で君
Sorry, y'all. OBS is hating on any of these colors I'm choosing. The blue decided it was going to have everything gone. The red decided to disappear all the black. So now I'm going to sit here and try a pink tone color. And we're going to hope for the best. You guys won't even see this pink eventually. It's just I have to get it on here to get it off of here. I know that makes no sense, but it's... Let's try version 3, shall we? Once I have this done, the rest of it's easy, being able to put stuff behind it. I might actually just... If this doesn't work, I have a fourth option. I can always just go ahead and attempt this with that color that's already defaulted in here. That was not what I wanted to do, but at this point it's what I may have to do. Let's see, third time they say it's a charm. We changed it to a pinky color. Okay, filters, chroma key, custom color, select color. Move this over a little bit to the side. Click pick color, this. Hit OK. Let me just switch. I think there might be something just wrong with OBS in general because I have to keep toggling between studio mode to see how this actually looks. I don't want to turn it completely off though. I'm going to have to exit completely out and come back. I don't want to keep modifying this. I do know I still need the sources of a camera. What am I thinking of? Thinking of media source. Oh, no. Add source. Where's my camera at? So on basic unfiltered, what do I have labeled? Stand camera. Actually, can I just copy? I'm trying something, being a little lazy. There we go. So I want this under here. Stand camera. Add Okay, I don't want to add this chat because that was something that I was looking into earlier, was a different version of this. I guess I could always look on. I never thought about it. I could be using. Oh, TikTok is just showing this. Hmm. Okay, interesting. Just cut over. There we go. Okay, so I won't be able to do some of those modifications tonight. That's fine. I do want to. At least I have it in here, and then, like I said, I had to exit out and restart OBS. It's acting weird. Um. I want to find a different chat that does both TikTok and YouTube at the same time. Okay, quick search. There's Social Stream, a free application browser desktop app that combines chats from TikTok, YouTube, Twitch into one individual single chat usable as a browser source in OBS. Streamline multistream and combines chat features often with an Ultra subscription. I don't have Ultra. Meld Studio, provide a unified panel for Twitch and YouTube with Plant Nope. Caster Lab, an option used for combining multiple stream chats as mentioned by users on Reddit. I guess we're going to click on Social Stream and explore this channel. I already started too, I just didn't finish it. Consolidate your live stream messaging into one. Connect across Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, Zoom, and dozens of platforms all in one place. Why choose Social Stream Ninja? Multiple platform support, feature chat overlays, bot commands, LLM support, learning language model. I don't necessarily need / want that. Okay, I will go on a different rage and rampage over AI. I think AI has. Actually, I'll go ahead and state this now while I'm thinking about it. AI, just like everything else in life, I believe has a time and a place. Because right now, AI is helping with things such as transcribing text and other accessibility needs that are not being met by people. The issue comes when it's the generative type of AI, in my opinion. Because when generative AI comes into play, it can cause misinformation and misleading. So I know you're probably on this TikTok live stream as well. I don't know if YouTube does it. I know TikTok definitely does do the stream summaries. I'm half and half on how I feel about those because it can be a way to interest people, but at the same time, I would rather see TikTok have a feature such as auto caption. That's another thing I need to look into is captioning live. Because I do not like not including people that cannot hear. We need to make this world better, and you have to do the bare minimum in order to help people. I've said it in the past and I'll say it again. Captions are a requirement, and I'm going to get there where I figure out how to do capturing live even if I had to have a separate screen that basically transcribes my words, and I might have to use like Otter or something like that so that people can read the words and text on the screen. That will be a feature I add sooner rather than later. I'm not happy that I can't. So yeah, we'll get there. Just a lot of stuff. Oh, they have a Discord, so I can get help if I need it. I don't think that you all are right now are filtered. Oh, hi Jen, welcome to the stream. I don't think right now it has a filter, so it's probably sounding like an airplane. I'm adding one right now to see if I can do a noise suppression. Let's see. That should cut out a lot of my laptop. That sounds like it is a jet engine. Oh, there's an echo. Thank you for letting me know. I wonder if it is picking up two places at once. That's what I'm thinking too, but the headset I'm using is only the audio. Let me turn off the YouTube. Okay, does it still have an echo now? Hmm, potentially. I might have. There is a whole thing. I'm probably going to have to restart OBS as well. Oh, you know what? TikTok has a different audio setting. That's what's doing it. And I bet, yeah, I am so sorry, Jen. Here, how about now? Does that sound better? Does that not sound echoey on TikTok? Because that's what the culprit was. I did not think about it. On TikTok, I have two audio devices. On OBS with YouTube, I only have one audio device. So that's why I was echoing. It was picking up on this headset and it was picking up on the microphone that was in front of me. That all adds up. I was wondering why I was blasting out the toner microphone. Thank you for helping me with that. You're so sweet. Okay. Oh, and also too, that means now this microphone wants to work when it didn't used to want to work. I sound far away. Do I still sound like I'm far away in Never Never Land? This headset is not the best quality. It's a set that I got from Aldi's. Okay, good. So apparently, when I unlocked the OBS Studio camera, I'm now able to use my microphone on TikTok and in OBS. You gotta train the newbie. I'll figure it out though someday. Actually, I have two choices. I could hop off now because I will be coming back at 10 o'clock to do my crochet, but that's on my other TikTok channel. Or I could stay here and try to keep fighting with my chats. I'm going to go ahead and take a break. But like I said, I will be back at 10 p.m. It'll be on my Ashley Unravels channel though. I do want to thank you for tuning in, and Jen, thank you for all the likes. hope that you have a great night, and I might see you later.